Hello, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB Past Questions English 2018, question number 14. In questions 14 to 21, choose the option nearest in meaning to the underlined. Thousands of students are candidates for the examination, but only very few pass. The underlined words are candidates. The options are A, come in, B, call for, C, go into, D, enter for. Now, for us to understand this much better, we need to know the meaning of all these words or phrases. Now, we look at our candidates. When you say that somebody is a candidate for something, it means that that person is applying for something, or that person is going in for something. That's the meaning. So a person who is trying to be elected or apply for a job, or a person taking an exam, is a candidate. So in this case, they are talking about examination. So person that have registered to take an exam is a candidate. So the very close similarity is when you say enter for. Enter for simply means to put one's name on the list for an exam. To put one's name on the list for an exam. That means you're applying for an exam too. So these two are very similar. But when you say come in, what does come in mean? Come in means to finish a race in a particular position. My horse came in last. To finish a race in a particular position. That's the meaning of come in. You can say I came in last. You understand? In the competition. Come in simply means the position that you finished in. Call for. What's the meaning of call for? Call for simply means to need something. You are calling for something means that you need that thing. To need something. Who called for the noise? That means who needs this noise? I didn't call for all this harassment. That means you don't need it. Go into simply means to move in a particular direction, or to hit something violently. When you say a car skidded and went into the tree, means to move in a part. To go into means to move in a particular direction. To move in a particular direction. That is the meaning of go in. Or to hit something. So you can see that the one that is very close to this, looking at the contents, thousands of students are candidates for an examination. Thousands of students applied for an examination. That's the meaning. Or thousands of students entered for an examination, but only few pass. A candidate simply means you apply for something. You are applying for something. Enter for also simply means you are applying for something, or you are going in for something. You are applying for an examination or something. So option D is the right answer because it is the one that has meaning nearest the meaning to the word underline. Thank you.